Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a quick tutorial and show y'all how to do the half double crochet. So this is one of the more basic of crochet stitches. If you want to learn the stitch that I've done before this, which is the single crochet, you can find that also on my YouTube channel. And before I show you how to do the half double crochet, I want to say if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out my YouTube and my blog for free stitch tutorials and crochet patterns. And we're going to get right into this. So to start, I've just made a slip knot and put it on my hook. I'm just using a worsted weight yarn and a 5mm or H hook. Any yarn with a corresponding hook size will work for the stitch. And to start, I'm just going to chain. It doesn't matter how many chain stitches you make for this stitch. I'm just going to chain a few. Okay, so that's probably enough. And then what we're going to do is, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit more so y'all can see. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and yarn over, and we're going to work into the third loop or third chain from our hook. So 1, 2, 3. So we're going to work into this chain right here. We're going to insert our hook, yarn over again, pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and that is a half double crochet. So we're going to the next stitch. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And that's how you do a half double crochet. So we're just going to continue across. I'm just going to go ahead and go all the way across, and I'll show you how to turn it and work another row if you want to. Okay, and the last one. Okay, so this is what it'll look like after you've done your first row. And this is what the other side will look like. So if you want to go on and do another row of half double crochet, you'll simply chain 2, turn your work, and work a half double crochet in each stitch across. You'll start right here. That will be your very first stitch of that row. So you will yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull the loop, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And that is how easy it is to do a half double crochet. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my channel and my blog for other free stitch tutorials and crochet patterns. Happy crocheting!